Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Jane Smolnik, and I would like to invite you to join me for this webinar. I'm doing an entire series called Becoming 5D Beings, Fifth Dimensional Beings. What is it like living in fifth dimension? How can we expand some of our tools and our awareness and our abilities beyond what our limited third dimensional mind and third dimensional senses offer us? So for this particular class, we're going to go a little bit deeper into exploring an expanded sense of self, the importance of opening your connections, as well as the importance of grounding, as well as the importance of using psychic protection, how to protect your energy field. I will also be teaching some very powerful sacred biogeometry that you can use, for one thing, to clear out any negative influences in your consciousness, how to open up your heart center, and how to send healing light into your body. These are very powerful tools. So I hope you join me. Each class is only $39. You will get the replay, which is unlimited use, as well as the PDF. So if you didn't see the first class, you might want to do that as well, because there were some powerful tools there. We're going to continue to build a little bit. But please feel free to join me for one or all classes. You may go to awakenmywisdom.com to explore a little bit more detail about the class, or if you have any questions, you can contact me there. So again, go to awakenmywisdom.com and join me for this upcoming class. It's going to be very empowering. Thank you so much. Bye.